Hi guys. So sometime we have a problem that if let's say we have a formula here in the Excel, okay, and we want to hide that formula or don't allow anybody to change that formula, right? Let's say this is a simple formula, but sometime you put up very complex formula and you don't want anybody to change that formula. So how do you go about doing it? Okay. So what you do, you select the complete range and press Control 1. Okay. And when you press Control 1, you will get this type of dialog box. Okay. I'll share it again. You will get this type of a dialog box, right? Format cell dialog box. And here you will have logged and hidden. So you have to uncheck both and click OK. Now here you again come to the selection where you want to select this, okay, where you want to have that control and remove the formula from the formula bar. You now click lock and hidden and click OK. This is step 2. Now step 3 is you have to press Alt T P P. So here it will ask you the password to unprotect the sheet. So I will give any password which I can remember easily, and I will have to retype that password and you do OK. Now you see, as soon as you do this, this is gone. Now this is locked. You cannot format this cell. All these features are disabled. Even you cannot, do the underlining or change the font color or font size. It is now static and you can't even see the formula. Very effective tool when you are building complex worksheets. So please do use and do remember the formula which you are putting across in the sheet. Have a nice day. Thank you very much.